Welcome to my channel, everybody. My name's Rudolf. So last year I went and did a blacksmithing course, and I got such a sense of belonging that I decided, hey, I'll do another one. And from there I think I really caught the bug that I really had this deep sense of this is what I want to do. I've been fortunate enough to have access to this old shed that's behind me, and I thought it's perfect for me, a perfect place as ever for me to turn into what will become my blacksmithing workshop. So over the years, I've watched a number of different craftsmen on YouTube, and the thing that I've always loved the most is that they have taken so many of us along on their journey. That not just their journey of learning to be a better craftsman, but the journey of the mistakes that they've made, the lessons that they've learned, and just their whole journey of growth along the way. And when I first decided that this is something that I really wanted to do, I realized that that's something I would love as well, is I would love to be able to share the journey that I take with as many people as I can. I'm going to stumble, I'm going to make mistakes, I'm going to stuff things up, but who cares? You know, that's all learning. Now, I'm very, very new to YouTube land, so it'll be a while till I work out all the buttons to press to make it work. So one of the first things that I need to do is, I do have this wonderful shed. It's a great location, has great shade, it has a lot of wonderful things, but it does not have doors. And where I am out here is quite rural, and the neighbours tend to have visiting livestock who often come to say hello. And so I think the first port of order is putting some doors on this shed. That way the sheep can stop coming and kicking my tools out into the yard. I have this doorway behind me, and I have the big one over there. So we'll start with the big one and go from there. Alright, trying to hang these by myself is not going to be the most easiest of tasks, but we'll manage, I'm sure. Ugly world. Now it's an ugly world painted black. Okay, time for the boards. Oops. Alright, I think they're probably about as tight as I'm going to get them, so let's move on. Well, I really wish that these were as quick to put up as the video makes them look. They really were. There's a few more little things that I'll add to these, but I'm pretty happy with them. The first doors I've ever built, I think. I am absolutely by no means a tradesman or professional of any sort whatsoever. So if you're still here by this point, thank you. It means a lot. As I said at the beginning, this is meant to be a blacksmithing channel. So I guess that means we should try and make something. So next video, we'll light the forge and make some presents for some friends of mine. And actually do some blacksmithing. Thanks so much for coming along. Look after yourselves, and I'll see you next time.